let's proceed to see what's in this box. As you can see, I purchased the option with the 2 microphones and the receiver. They do sell the unit that has just the unit, the receiver, and the mic, or they actually sell this in a configuration where you just buy the microphone and it has a little base unit that you can charge and you hook it up via Bluetooth. You can do that with this option to hook it up via Bluetooth or via the receiver on the phone. All right, let's check out what we got here. Nice little DJI pouch. Feels waterproof. Let me know in the comments if you want me to test this out to see if it's waterproof or not. Okay, we have here USB-C cable, charge the unit, TRS cable to hook it up to a camera. In this case, in my case, I don't have a camera. I use a GoPro 9. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to show you how to hook that up. We have here a set of wind muffs, 2 black ones, 2 gray ones. Now this snaps onto your unit via these 2 little tabs. I don't know if you can see that. One there and one there, and just snaps on and it just pulls off. All right? You have the black one and you have the gray one. The gray one is a little bit thicker if you need a little bit more protection from the wind. And this obviously hooks up the same way. 2 little tabs, one there and one there. Set to the side. And let's check out the main unit. What do we have here? Very nice. Palm of my hand. I have fairly big hands. Nice. USB-C. Let's peel this off. Nice little DJI emblem there. Now, as soon as you press on this button, you'll see the indicator lights indicating how much battery life you have. I don't know if you can tell, but you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 3 bars here. Now, with this unit, you have the receiver, power button, power indicator here. You have the link button, so you can link this to the microphones. You have the port here, so you can hook up your TRS cable to your camera. You have audio gain, plus and minus. And this also has a feature where it prevents you from clipping and making the audio too loud. You have a little clip here. This clips into your cold shoe mount on your camera. Okay, and if you want to hook it up to your phone, which is how I use this, you'll take this unit off, take the USB-C, and just snap it in. I have an older phone, an older iPhone, so I need a Lightning. You would have to purchase that separately. And this just clips in right so, and plugs into the iPhone. You have audio cancellation. Well, not audio cancellation, but noise cancellation in 2 levels. You would have to download the DJI Mimo app to get that noise reduction. And you can also change the dynamics of the audio as far as mono and stereo. Now, you don't have to take this off to put it back in the case. You can also charge this receiver via the USB-C port right here. Let's put this back here. Now, as soon as I pick up this mic, there should be a notable audio difference. Let me know in the comments if you hear any difference. Now it is pairing. Let me know, do I sound any better now? Let me know in the comments if I sound any better. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the microphone and we're going to show you how to hook this up. You're going to take these two prongs right there that you see, and you're just going to put it over the unit. These two little prongs that are back here face the back, and this clips on like so, and that's it. Clip it on, or use the magnet underneath your clothes, like so. The beautiful thing about this unit also is you can keep the dead cats on, and if you need your TRS cable, you can keep it in there too. Fits all in the case. Nice and snug, like so. Maybe a little neater. Like so. And boom. Easy peasy. Let me know in the comments if you found this information informative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.